the 10K. Morning! Morning!
Good morning, I just burped.
Look at these two that are with me. We just lost Peter.
Yeah.
I can't see very well, so hopefully we find him soon. We got Mickey Mouse. We got Minnie Mouse. Down there we have Dopey and Pluto today. No Oswald. We found Peter!
Yay! I got a blanket today, I'm feeling good.
We're waiting for Minnie Mouse.
So I feel better about my haircut today. I don't feel better the fact that, yeah, that Eddie woke us up at 2:57. Sarah and I overslept. And I'm stressing about the corrals because...
And Eddie didn't even set an alarm, so basically I'm a hero.
I know, you texted us at like, I saw you like 2:40.
I was like, let's get this medal.
Yeah. I'm stressing about the corrals because these two are in a different corral than I.
You can go back.
I know, I know.
You don't want to,
No, I'm gonna stay with you guys. Today they have A through F. Yesterday they were A, B, and C. So hopefully it'll go faster. How do you feel, Eddie? First one is.
How's your toe feeling?
It's honestly numb right now.
He has a toe injury.
Yeah.
He didn't speak of it at all last night.
Nails at Windermere.
All last night, he didn't say a word about it. Wakes up this morning, my toe!
No, it
my
happened
toe.
overnight.
You want to buy stuff.
I have transformed.
Like beautiful Squidward.
From Frumpy to Marathon Running Extraordinaire.
Legs brought to you by
RunDisney.
Bye, Sarah!
That is Uncle Orville from Carousel Progress. I don't know if they're doing it. It doesn't look like they're doing the mini corrals today.
But I think a lot of people are in the big, they're in the end corrals, like E and F. I think those are really big.
So we're in D and we're already moving. We literally just ran A.
The morning mile.
I like it.
Alrighty, so I think I'm just gonna do the same thing I did yesterday. Be at the start line and the finish line. I think with there being 3 of them today, I hopefully won't miss them. There is no spectator viewing inside of World Showcase. I could have gone to the boardwalk. I think I'm just gonna play it safe. I'd rather see them, definitely, than try to see them and not see them.
I actually have a better idea of when we're actually starting. Katie, you ready?
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 ready as I'll ever be.
Sarah should be on the right side over there. All right. So we're at the very front of this next one. They had volunteers that they got a rope. That's cool. That'll be fun.
Oh yeah, who's dancing?
Where's she at? Sarah, where you at? There she is! That's Mary Poppins. That's really Mary Poppins up there on the bypass. Hello, Mary. Look at, there's the exit. How you feel? Good? We good?
I'm cold.
It's cold, but it's heating up. Also, we're making friends. This is fun. No, Earhart, this one's for you. They're playing Illuminations right at the entrance of EPCOT. Yes! Congratulations, baby Earhart. Look at that. Walt Disney World 10K mile 1. Woo woo! Look at that, here's the lines way back there for Ralph. And Ralph is over there by his little kiosk. Oh, and Vanellope's with him too. Look at this group, I love it. You got Figment, Hades, everybody's in there. This is insanity to be in this. Look at this like sharp turn. Oh man, check this out. Oh yeah. Yes. But why does she have a Jurassic Park shirt on? Never thought I'd be on this grassy middleway. How many times have we driven on this? And I'm just in the middle. I always feel like there's alligators here. Oh no! Look at this. That is insanity. Oh, ooh, spooky. Here we go. Bambi and Thumper, mile 3. All right, this is when the real fun begins. Welcome to EPCOT. We're coming backstage to my test track. How you feel?
It's okay.
I'm ready for a breakfast sandwich.
Oh man, look at these.
So until they're done, I'm just gonna hang out at the finish line and cheer on runners. They have not gotten into the World Showcase just yet, but they're almost there. Luckily, I have Peter's location on so I can track them as they run. And so I will know when they're nearing the finish line and I'll move closer to the actual finish line.
Back into this beautiful World Showcase. Just over 3 miles. All we gotta do now is go to UK, go to Crescent Lake, and then go to the front of EPCOT. We got this. Eddie.
We got this.
Jiminy Cricket. Yes. Mile 4, Belle. We're practically done. Oh, EPCOT is not disappointing on the characters. Look at that. Oh my God, look at Goofy's in a football outfit. I think there's gonna be more guests cheering here because there's guests staying here. But look at Goof. Look at Goof. Look at Goof. Wow. Look at this cheer squad. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
So the sun is now up. It's such a pretty sky and pretty morning, and it's getting a little bit warmer, so that is good too. But they just crossed back from Crescent Lake, so the EPCOT Resorts area. So they're back in the park. And they're in the final stretch, less than a mile to go.
Okay, first of all, how beautiful is World Showcase? And check that out, Max Goof coming out to hang out. Here we go, mile 6. Time to finish this out. Look at this. I'm proud of you, Eddie. I'm proud of you, Katie. We got this. Woo! Woo! Look at all the Guardians. Eddie's loving it. Eddie's got the bug. Eddie's got the bug. We got this. Ready? 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 Woo!
Oh, the Tweedles are in the house. Okay.
You did it! I'm so proud of you guys!
Second RunDisney medal.
Congratulations.
Come on, David, lay it on me.
Alrighty, here we go. You ready?
4.
Woo! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Look at this.
Good job.
Yes.
Hey.
You got your first bit of jewels. How you feel?
I'm so happy.
You got the bug, right?
What?
You got the bug?
I did. Like I feel. I could
RunDisney
definitely.
bug?
I could have done 6 more miles.
You got the medal. How do you feel? Where are you gonna go next? Now that you finished the Run Disney, no, you should say, I'm going to Disney World.
I'm going to Disney World, so I'm going to be a cat mama. One doesn't know.
Can we keep it in? Yes.
Here's my medal.
Here's our furry medal.
The race is over.
So now time to go home, shower, and do work. But I'm working from home today.
You are out of focus and Eve is in focus and she looks so majestic.
She is majestic.
Eve, do you want to run a marathon? Flash forward a couple of hours.
We are doing our first premiere. Ooh.
You'll have to tell us if you like it.
Yeah, there's 23 people watching right now, and some people have commented, so.
We're gonna live chat for. It's not that you can see us.
No, it's just we all watch it at the same time for the first time on YouTube. So like, I've never seen it. Sarah edited this one. I've never seen this. This is the first time I see this vlog with everybody else.
We usually don't park up here.
Guys, Sarah and I were just talking. So we're at Disney Springs because we have to pick up some
Wait, my
goo.
phone is ringing.
Oh, I did it. Even at Springs, they're getting in the spirit. But what I was saying before, Christina's on FaceTime with us, with Violet, but it's like super busy on property. And so we were talking about maybe there's a lot more people that come in for the Saturday and Sunday runs than doing like the 5 and 10K. So we're thinking that's why it's extra busy, and it's a Friday, but like even all the streets on property were super busy. And the parking lot here is always a mess on a Friday, so. But it's a quick trip. We're just grabbing some goof fit to run. Maybe do a quick little stroll, but it's 5:30 right now, and I wanted to go to bed by 6 because tomorrow's another 2 a.m. day, and tomorrow's the half, so.
So this stuff is what we came here for. They have all different brands and kinds and shoes, and I've never really gotten into this, but it does help when you're running long distance. So this will save Peter during the marathon.
How it's got the miles and then it's got the goofy in all perspective. The goofy is the half and the full. The dopey is all of it.
Cool, and it also has like other like local runs going on, like the Back the Blue 5K and
MLK Junior Day.
some sort of Penguin Day.
What?
These ones have some fun facts. Did you know 3 Times Around World Showcase is about a 5K?
Did you know walking 2 times around Disney Springs is a 5K? Did you know how many 5Ks occur during a Dopey challenge?
How many?
15.
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
No free samples.
Wanna walk through World of Disney?
Yeah. Here's all the purple. It's called like potion purple.
Potion purple.
What does that say?
Believing is just the beginning.
Ooh.
Even with the Alex and Annie with Potion purple.
I think our like newfound minimalist lifestyle, like I wish I was like more excited about it. I like seeing it. But
Yeah, I like this display they made.
yeah, we just don't rush to buy it anymore. But we still want to show you guys it.
So we picked up, did we show?
I showed them in the store, but we didn't show what you actually got.
We picked up 2 more of these goos.
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 protein bar. So I like to eat so far. I like eat a heavier, like clean dinner the night before the big race. So then that gives me overnight to digest it and like metabolize all the energy.
The
and then,
tomatoes weren't wonderful for you today, so we did just do like chicken and
not even
couscous.
seasoned.
Yeah.
And like Sarah had sauces on her stuff, but I didn't. I literally just had plain couscous, good amount of it, and about half a chicken breast, just chicken.
Yeah.
Not even salt, pepper.
A big breast.
Yeah. So then I'll have the protein bar in the morning. I'm gonna chug a big cup of water before I go to sleep. I'll do that again in the morning, but hopefully I'll digest the couscous and chicken, and then have the protein in the morning. And then I'm bringing 1 of those gel packs with me tomorrow, and then either 2 or 3
For the
full marathon. But it's like 7:15.
Yeah.
And
I'm
so
tired. I'm ready for it.
Yeah, we're exhausted.
I'm excited for tomorrow.
Tomorrow's like the big day because I've run at EPCOT. I've run at Crescent Lake before.
You've
like
never run in Magic Kingdom.
never run in Magic Kingdom.
Unless you're
Never
getting Fast Pass.
right. Never run on World Drive. Like never run throughout property.
Oh, she's hiding in the laundry. We're at
We have
laundry
the
rack.
cutest dog ever. So
Yeah.
I want to thank each and every one of you for following along with this journey the whole year. It's been like an emotional 12 months. I'm kind of. Katie and Eddie asked if I was getting emotional on Sunday. I don't think I'm going to, but I think I already starting am.
I've been emotional every time.
And the messages I've gotten on like today's vlog for the 5K have been incredible, and which I just appreciate all of you.
I think it's hard for us because we expected to have a baby by now.
Yeah, so we didn't talk about this, but when we knew that we weren't going to have a baby by now, I was hoping that I'd
could,
be able
like,
to
announce
finish.
it or something
I wanted
like
to
that.
finish the Dopey challenge, like cross the finish line for the marathon, and tell you guys that we were pregnant. That hoping that it was like 12, because we're going to wait 12 weeks from when she's pregnant to tell you guys, or somewhere along those lines, to make sure everything's safe. And we were hoping that that was the case, but it's not. But
Yeah.
that's why
But
we're
the
doing
thing
this.
is, like these steps still need to be taken.
Yeah.
And this is still part of that plan.
The challenge and being healthy for our family and our babies, so I can live to 150.
Yeah. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.